Hello, future millionaires. Today we dive into the wisdom of one of the greatest financial minds of our time, Warren Buffett. Known as the Oracle of Omaha, Buffett's journey to becoming one of the wealthiest individuals on the planet is filled with invaluable lessons for anyone looking to build their own fortune. Whether you're just starting out or seeking to amplify your financial game, Buffett's advice for young people is a treasure trove of insights. Join us as we explore Warren Buffett's timeless strategies to get rich, distilled in practical steps that you can start applying today. Ready to unlock the secrets to wealth? Let's get started. The power of compound interest and saving early. Embarking on the journey to financial independence, the cornerstone of Warren Buffett's advice for young people lies in the profound understanding and application of compound interest, coupled with the imperative of starting early. This concept, often dubbed the eighth wonder of the world by Buffett himself, is not just a financial principle, but a powerful force that can turn modest savings into substantial wealth over time. Imagine the story of a young professional named Alex. Fresh out of college, Alex decided to put aside a small portion of his income into an index fund every month. It wasn't an astronomical sum, just $200, a manageable amount that didn't drastically alter his lifestyle, but was a commitment to his future self. With an average annual return of 7%, this seemingly insignificant monthly investment began to snowball, illustrating the magic of compound interest. What makes Alex's story compelling isn't just the discipline to save regularly, but the insight to start early. By beginning in his early 20s, Alex allowed his investments the maximum amount of time to grow, benefiting from the principle that earnings on his investments would generate their own earnings. This is the essence of compound interest. Over time, the growth accelerates not linearly, but exponentially. This strategy exemplifies Buffett's advice. The power of compound interest lies not in the size of the initial investment, but in the time given for that investment to grow. Young investors have the most valuable asset on their side: time. Starting early maximizes this advantage, turning even modest savings into significant sums. Buffett emphasizes that waiting to invest until you have a significant amount to put away is a mistake. The real significant factor is time, not the amount. By starting small and early, young investors can set the foundation for financial independence, proving that wealth accumulation is accessible to anyone disciplined enough to save consistently and patient enough to let compound interest work its magic. Alex's journey from a young saver to a financially independent individual underscores a critical message. The path to wealth is paved with patience, discipline, and a profound appreciation for the power of compounding. This approach demystifies the process of building wealth, showing that achieving financial success is not about windfalls or shortcuts, but about leveraging time and consistency to one's advantage. If you are enjoying the video, hit the subscribe button and comment on whether you have started investing or not. If you want to explore money-making strategies, click the link in the description to start your financial journey. Invest in what you know. The circle of competence. Warren Buffett's advice to invest in what you know is a guiding principle that champions the power of staying within one circle of competence. This concept encourages investors to capitalize on their unique insights and knowledge, steering clear of opportunities that lie beyond their understanding. No matter how tempting they may seem, it's about recognizing that in the vast ocean of investment opportunities, sticking to familiar waters can lead to the most bountiful catches. Consider the journey of Alina, a seasoned educator with a passion for technology in the classroom. While Alina wasn't a tech guru by any means, her years of experience had given her a keen insight into educational technology trends, needs, and potential. When she decided to venture into investing, she leveraged this knowledge, focusing on companies developing educational software and hardware. Alina's investments were not just based on market trends, but on her deep understanding of how these technologies could revolutionize learning environments. Alina's strategy exemplifies Buffett's circle of competence. By investing in a sector she was intimately familiar with, she could assess the potential and risks more accurately than an outsider might. Her investments were informed by a clear vision of the sector's growth trajectory, driven by her first-hand experience of technology's impact on education. This approach minimized her risks and maximized her chances of success. Buffett's circle of competence isn't just about sticking to what you know. It's about the recognition that being deeply knowledgeable about a few areas is far more valuable than having a superficial understanding of many. This principle encourages investors to do their homework, to dive deep into the sectors they understand, and to invest with confidence based on that understanding. Alina's success story is a testament to the effectiveness of this approach. Her investments yielded significant returns, not because she followed the crowd, but because she invested in a domain where she had expertise. It illustrates that one's profession or hobbies can offer a unique lens through which lucrative investment opportunities can be identified and pursued. In essence, the circle of competence concept underscores the importance of self-awareness and focused learning in investing. It suggests that financial success is achievable by leveraging one's existing knowledge and experiences, encouraging a more thoughtful, informed, and strategic approach to building wealth. The importance of patience and long-term thinking. The journey to financial success is often linked to a marathon, not a sprint, emphasizing the critical role of patience and long-term thinking. Warren Buffett, a stalwart advocate of this philosophy, has demonstrated through his investment career that enduring wealth is not built overnight, but through years, often decades of disciplined and strategic planning. This approach is underpinned by a steadfast commitment to long-term goals, resisting the allure of short-term gains in favor of sustainable compounding growth. A compelling illustration of this principle is found in the story of Liam, a small business owner who ventured into the stock market with a clear long-term vision. Unlike many of his peers who were swayed by the volatility and quick profit mindset prevalent in the market, Liam adopted a Buffett-esque approach, choosing investments in companies with solid fundamentals and a clear trajectory for growth over the next decade. Liam's patience was tested during market downturns, moments when many investors succumb to fear and make hasty decisions to sell. Instead, Liam held firm, trusting in the intrinsic value of his investments and the principle that market fluctuations are temporary, but the value of well-chosen assets endures. Over time, his portfolio not only recovered from the downturns, but also grew significantly, outpacing the short-term traders who were caught in the cycle of buying high and selling low. This narrative underscores the essence of patience and long-term thinking in investing. It's about seeing beyond the immediate fluctuations of the market, focusing on the bigger picture, and understanding that time in the market is more crucial than timing the market. Liam's experience reflects Buffett's wisdom that the stock market is a mechanism for transferring wealth from the impatient to the patient. Moreover, this approach speaks to the importance of setting clear long-term financial goals and aligning investment decisions with these objectives. It's a strategy that requires not just patience, but also a deep belief in the process, a willingness to learn and adapt, and an unwavering focus on the end goal. In essence, the importance of patience and long-term thinking in achieving financial success cannot be overstated. It is a testament to the power of compounding, the resilience in the face of market volatility, and the strategic foresight to invest in values that endure. Through stories like Liam's, we learn that the path to wealth is paved with the stones of patience, discipline, and an unwavering commitment to long-term objectives, embodying the timeless investment principles championed by Warren Buffett. And there you have it, Warren Buffett's invaluable advice for young people who aspire to get rich. From the power of compound interest and the wisdom of investing within your circle of competence to the virtues of patience and long-term thinking, Buffett's strategies are more than just financial advice, they are a blueprint for a prosperous life. So take these lessons to heart, start applying them today, and embark on your journey to financial success. Remember, the path to wealth is within reach, and it starts with the choices you make today. Thank you for joining us, and here's to your future success. If you like this type of content, then press the like button and subscribe to our channel.